Hello, hello. This is Samira from Diamond Accounting. In this video, I'm gonna cover how to set recurring invoices in QuickBooks. Let's say you are like me, a bookkeeper. You have a set monthly fees for your clients. You just charge them a fixed amount every month. I've seen it in a lot of other businesses like cleaners, or like other industries. They have set monthly charges they send to customers, and it's not really efficient to sit down every month and create those invoices manually, send it to them. You just create it once in QuickBooks and set a recurring invoice, so it will send it to your clients or customers the time you are asking it to do. So you log into QuickBooks. On the left-hand side, you go to sales, customers, and you open the customer you want to invoice. In this case, I'm just choosing the sample customer. If you don't know how to create invoice for your customer, I talk in more depth in my other video. I'm just going to link it down below. Refer to my other video. I have walked you through it. Excuse me. So sample customer, you go to new transaction invoice. You're gonna put in your customer email. I'm just gonna leave it blank here, but it should have an email. The way it does it, it emails it to your customer. You're gonna have your terms here, the invoice date. If you want, okay, so for invoice, you have to first create once and then create recurring invoice, right? So let's just do service day today. I'm just gonna do hours, 20 hours. The rate is $50, $1,000, right? Then I'm gonna create click on recurring invoice. The template, you can design the template too. And if you want to send the invoice a certain number of days in advance, you can just put it here. You can put 2, 1, whatever you want, or you want to schedule it. Yes, we want to schedule it. You put your customer email here, and you have the option to automatically have QuickBooks automatically send it. You're going to choose monthly in our case. On the first day, I usually want on the 5th day of every month, starting today and end. If you want to end date, you can put it here. If not, I'm just going to leave it as is. And then you're going to save the template. What it does, it's going to automatically send it to your customer. If you want to have any message on the invoice, you can type it here. You can just type thank you for your business. If you're accepting any special form of payment, you can just say here, I only accept ACH, check, Venmo, whatever you want. It's up to you what you want to have on the message. And then you can customize it even further. So see, I've chosen standard. There are other styles you can choose. You just go to new style, and honestly, QuickBooks keeps changing the formats and the style, and based on the subscription you have, you just go in and see which one you like. It's just the view, the cosmetic, how it's gonna look when your customers get the invoice. Yeah, and then save it. That's it. And once you create, I'm not going to save it. And once you're done and you want to see your recurring invoices or recurring transactions, I can show you how you can do recurring transactions in a bit. You can go to the gear icon and you see recurring transactions. For security purposes, I cannot show you what my recurring transactions are, but when you create them, you can go here and see a list of items you have created. And if you want to edit, you can edit them from there. So next thing is journal entries. You go to the plus sign on the top left. You're going to click on journal entry. You're gonna do, I don't know, you wanna expense something you already paid by the company, and it's advertising. You're gonna choose advertising promo. Let's say you paid $100 and you paid it from the bank account, directly from your bank account. So description could be anything you want. I suggest you do put the descriptions in, and you can just do save and close here. Or if it's something that happens every month or certain in intervals, you can just do make recurring here and schedule it so it does it for you. So in my case, let's say I use my own vehicle to go to a networking event every week. So what I've done, I created scheduled recurring transactions in my QuickBooks. So it books my travel or mileage expense every month when the time comes. So I don't have to manually enter. So if you want to do the same, you can create a mileage account. Let's say we are in 2024, and for every mile, you can claim 67 cents. And round the trip, I go, let's say, 30 miles each time. $20, 1 cent, I'm allowed to claim as my mileage. Obviously, it doesn't go to my bank account, so I'm going to choose owners, and my business is an LLC, so I have owner's draw. If your business is S Corp, it's the same thing. You use owner's draw. So you debit mileage expense and credit owner's draw, and you schedule it here. In my case, is weekly. Every week on Thursdays, starting, I'm gonna just put here, and there's no end. I'm just gonna go to that networking event, and then you're gonna save it. So on Thursday every week, QuickBooks is gonna enter this entry for you and post it into financial statement so you don't have to. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment what other videos you want me to make for you, and I'll be more than happy to do it. Yeah, take care and see you next time. Bye.